What's good, YouTube and Underground family? It's your boy Nugget back again with another video for you. And today we have the unboxing of the clip rod. And this will be the second one I have. Unfortunately, the other one I had when my car got broken into got destroyed. But they didn't get the car, luckily, and they just busted a window and took some random stuff out of my car, like whatever they could grab before someone saw them. So we got lucky with that. But yeah, enough of that. Let's get into getting this unboxed. Try to save the card. Do my best to try to save the freaking card. Okay, there it is.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it's way cooler out of the box. Dude, that green.
Damn.
So the special feature, let me see the back of this thing. Like, the special feature is it holds your money. Like, you clip it right there.
Shit.
And then it's supposed to be an actual money clip. I'm old school. Like, I actually still use a real money clip. So when I saw this, I thought it was a really neat idea. Yeah, the details on it are really great. Like, I'm sure on the track this thing would fly. It's pretty hefty for a Hot Wheel. Here, let's see if it actually can hold money. It looks like it's functional. Like, this would actually work on a day-to-day. Let me see. Where's money at? Like, I'm broke. Where the hell is some of the little bit I got? Here it is. This is my normal clip that I usually use. It's a Gerber clip knife thing. Don't mind my rusty razor. I do need to replace it. Yeah, that's my normal one. And like, here's some monies. Let's see, try this thing, yeah. Oh, nice, it does work. Neat. That's cool. I want to send this down the track with the money clipped on it. Like, have it flapping around, like, and then flying around doing a loop, like, like, if anybody wants to donate a track so we can try that, that would be cool. I'd totally record it and make a video out of it. We don't have any Hot Wheels track. We've only been collecting for about a year. So you guys are literally watching us unbox and have our collection grow, like, completely on camera. So every time that we've gotten something so far after, like, we started recording seriously for you guys, you guys have seen everything we have. We're gonna do a tour soon of what we've gotten since last year, probably in a month or two. If you guys want to see a complete tour of our collection, just comment down below and we'll make it happen in between work and everything else we got going on. But yeah, I'm really hyped on this. It feels like a win. Like, I'm really cool. I think it's cool. I'm gonna end up walking around with a Hot Wheels all day holding my money now. But anybody that knows me knows that that's basically my personality anyway. So yeah. Alright guys, this has been a fun one. If you guys haven't seen any of our car show videos, we have a couple car show videos. We just went to a great one called Elite Tuners. We worked really hard on it. If you're bored and you want to see real life Hot Wheels, then go ahead and check it out. But until next time, stay safe out there. Happy hunting. Later.